scared him away. He was taking a little ducky nap. You scared him.
He's over there.
How cute. He's mowing its head up and down, up and down. Oh, yeah. Look at how pretty. What's all the ruckus? Them too. Look at them. I think they're coming over here. Be very, very quiet. Here they come. What is that? It's the black ones that make that weird noise. See the black ones? They make that weird noise. Ah, cute. Look at him. Whoa, where'd he go? There he is. Look at Mijo. He's gonna pop up right now. Right there. He's in the water. There he goes. Cute. Look at him. He's a cutie. I want a duck. Watch. Let's see if he goes underwater again. Because he went underwater. It was funny. Oh my goodness. Watch. There he goes. He's getting something under there. He's eating something under there.
Mom, come here.
What? I am looking. I'm looking at this pretty ducky. Oh! It sounded like one farted. What's that one? Why is he doing that noise? Look at them. Go ahead, Mijo. Look at sounds like he farted. Hilarious. Look at Mom, Mijo, look at. He's coming. All I have to do is just stand still. It sounds like he's farting. It's hilarious. Look at how close they are. Hello, duckies.
Quack, 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 What is that duck doing right there?
They're so pretty. Look at, here he comes. Look at. Just stand still, it'll come by you. They won't be scared. See? Hi.
Hi.
Did he fart? What? Okay, bye guys.